CHASM Advanced Materials and Saudi Readymix announced the successful completion of the CNT-enhanced concrete pour in Dammam on December 15th. CHASM, a US-based carbon nanotube technology leader, brings its NTeC carbon nanotubes platform to Saudi Arabia, supporting Saudi Vision 2030 and the Saudi Green Initiative, which targets 278 million tons of annual CO2 reduction on the path to net zero by 2060. Through this collaboration, we continue to contribute to preserving the wealth of the nation and its people.
We have been working with CHASM for 18 months. We had to overcome a number of challenges, which we successfully solved.
Our NTeC CNTs deliver stronger, greener concrete that also address the unique durability challenges here in the Middle East.
CHASM's NTeC carbon nanotubes technology enables low-carbon concrete using 100% local Saudi materials, advancing the kingdom's sustainability and infrastructure goals by eliminating reliance on imported SCMs such as fly ash or GGBFS. NTeC carbon nanotubes offer a practical, scalable pathway for decarbonizing concrete production.
We're very happy that we did a full-scale mix with concrete infused with carbon nanotubes.
This green concrete pour at Saudi Readymix strongly supports the kingdom's sustainability goals. CHASM's licensing and partnering model brings the world's most scalable carbon nanotube production to Saudi Arabia and beyond.
Local materials, stronger concrete, and sustainable infrastructure powered by NTeC carbon nanotubes technology and delivered through innovative platforms for a safer, more connected, and sustainable world, reflecting our commitment to preserving the wealth of our nation and its people.